In this video, I'm going to show you how we can print hello world in C#. First of all, let's use the keyword using and use the system. So here system is the namespace. It contains all the required informations to execute our code and to print the hello world and other many more things. So it simply contains the C# library, functions, class, and so many things. We will discuss about the class, functions, objects, and other terms related to these terms. So we'll discuss it later. So first of all, just simply understand system is the namespace. And to make the main function, so we need a class, and to create the class, simply use the keyword class, my class, or you can use my gamma case, or in the Pascal case, this is Pascal case. If first letter both starting of first letter is capital, then it is known as the Pascal case. And I'm making the class my class, and inside the my class I can create my main functions. So static void main and string args. This is the arguments inside the function. And if I want to display some message, then just simply type cw and just press the tab button, and you can give the message hello universe or hello world according to your choice. So this is how you can print hello world in C#. So this is class my class, this is my class, and we'll discuss each and everything about the class and objects. And static means we do not need to call these functions, we do not need to make the object of that class, and we do not need to call that function. It is already predefined functions in our class. And void means the return type of the functions, and it doesn't return anything outside this curly braces. Everything will be printed inside this curly braces. Void means it doesn't return anything. And main means our function name, and our main function m is capital, and string args means string. This is array type arguments, and this will take the argument value. And this is the console.write line is the same like the printf in C programming language. If you know about the C or C++ and any other programming language, if you want to print something onto the console or into the browser or web, whatever. So to print something into the screen, we need console.write line. This line will break another line, and we can simply type the console.write only also. And if I type the console.write line, then it will break line. So in this way, you can print hello world. If I run this code by pressing this run button, or you can use the Ctrl F5 or simply F5, and now you can see hello universe. So you can give the message whatever you want. If I want to print the hello world, then I can just type hello world, and if I run this code, then you can see hello world, WRL, hello world. Now you can see hello world. So in this way, you can print, you can display the hello world into the console. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.